Ever felt lost in the Facebook maze, desperately searching for that disappearing watch button? Let's get it back. First things first, let's make sure we're on the same page. That watch icon, your gateway to endless videos, should typically be at the bottom or top navigation bar. Depending on your device, can't see it, don't panic. Step 1. Updates are your friend. Head to your App Store, that's the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS, and search for Facebook. If there's an update button, tap it. Outdated apps can be buggy, and the watch button might just be hiding because of that. Next, let's try clearing the app cache. Go to your phone's settings, then find apps or applications. Locate Facebook in the list, tap on it, and then find storage. Here, you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Start by clearing the cache. It's like giving the app a quick spring clean. If the watch button still hasn't reappeared, try clearing data, but remember, doing this will log you out of the app. If that didn't work, let's check your navigation bar settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, usually located at the top or bottom right of your screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Expand it, and then tap on Settings. Scroll down to Preferences, and tap on Navigation Bar, then tap Customize the bar. Here, make sure the watch icon isn't hidden. If it's set to hide, tap the drop-down menu and select Auto or Pin. Auto lets Facebook decide, while Pin ensures it's always visible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your watch button should be back in its rightful place, ready to unlock a world of videos. Now go forth and enjoy.